Welcome to Helmut Fischer. Today we will demonstrate how you can easily perform a stability test on your own. A stability test is an automatic long-term test with a programmed evaluation. The instrument monitors the intensity of the primary radiation, resolution, as well as the amplification factor of the spectrometer. To perform a stability test, it is important to note that the instrument has to be in an operating state and must not be used or modified in any way for at least 8 hours after the start of the test. You require the pure element plate supplied with the instrument in order to start the stability test. For your Fischer scope with a proportional counting tube, please select the pure element silver. If you have a Fischer scope with a pin or STD detector, you select the pure element copper. If you own a Fischer scope XUV 773, a Fischer scope XAN 250 with helium flushing, or a Fischer scope XTV STD with helium flushing, also select the pure element copper. To start the stability test, place the supplied pure element plate on the measuring table of your instrument first. You will find it in your accessories case. Make sure that the appropriate pure element is selected for your device type. Check the measuring distance, since this also depends on the respective instrument type. Then focus the pure element in your WinFTM program. Create a new item for the stability test. To do so, open the General drop-down menu, navigate to Service and select Test of Stability. Select any existing product file in the displayed window. Use the drop-down menu Product and click Copy. Rename the chosen article with a unique name. If stability tests are to be performed on different Fischer measuring instruments, it is advisable to add the corresponding serial number of the instrument to the name. After you have renamed the article accordingly, you must click the Copy button to save it, then click Cancel to close the window. Next, the new article must be loaded. To do this, proceed to the General drop-down, click Service and select Test of Stability. Double-click on the article you previously created to load it. Then open the Product drop-down and select Auto Measurement. Now the stability test will start. Please note that the test must run continuously for at least 8 hours without interruption. After 8 hours, you can interrupt the continuous run with the Stop button. Finally, you send the performed stability test to our service experts for evaluation, who can use it to assess the device's condition and perform basic error diagnostics. To do this, select Copy to from File in the Product drop-down. Use the Select button to choose the file you have just created and save it to a location of your choice. Now you can send us the exported item by providing the serial number of your device via email to your local Fischer representative. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.